Here's another thing I never thought I'd say. Ready to go rescue Chaos, Skylander? No time like the present, eh, Skylander? See what I did there? A little play on words. Since we're going to a giant clock, huh? Oh, never mind. Let's go! This Wolfgang creep must already be messing with the clock. We're gonna stop him before he manages to permanently break time. It confused me.
So, this is what they do, eh, Chaos? Just fly in, land somewhere nearby, and eventually mess up your plans.
Sort of, but not...
Have you ever considered just wrecking their ship?
Well, it's a bit more complicated than that.
Oh, really? Watch this!
Emergency landing! This just got personal. Well, I mean, of course it was always personal, but, you know. Anyway, I'll find the lander. You go after the creep.
Oh, am I glad to see you? For years we keep this clock a secret. It controls all of time in Skylands. But then crazy Wolfgang and his bad birdies show up and they kick us out. No good. I see Wolfgang take little bold screaming man inside that tower. You find them there.
Oh, yeah!
Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this.
No, no! Stop this thing you're doing! So rude!
On the hunt.
Why you gotta do this thing? Hey, you saved the Pinchy! Thank you, thank you! Now let me show you something. Come right this way. Ah, we meet again! To get into the clock, you must solve the riddles of our steam lock. Wolfgang guy put them up to keep us out. Here, you will need this hammer. Right time. With the hammer, hit with the pipe. Good, good! You see how you break the pipes now. But I'm afraid now you must fight some very fast people.
Call of the Wild. You got axed. On the right trail.
Going up. Up high.
Yumpin' Yiminy! A Skylander! Oh, I hope you're here to get rid of the bad wolf guy. He does not understand the fragile and abstract nature of time travel, don't you know?
Glad I caught you here. I know you're in the middle of something, but if you could send a cross crow my way, I've got a pretty important challenge for him involving Skyland's biggest fans.
Can't tame the wild.
Skylanders of the life element are stronger in this zone.
Oh, yeah.
It's the Cold Front with DJ Chill Bill.
Extremely loud gonging noises have been reported from the...
Live on the edge. Up high.
Very good, very good. You make it to the next steam lock. This one a little hard though, but I know you can do it. Let's go. Incredible, just incredible. It's very hard, but I promise you almost done. Yes. Incredible, just incredible! It's very hard, but I promise you're almost done. Yes! So good! Oh, so good! You're almost inside of the clock. Just watch out for more of the bad guys.
Cut it out. Whoa! Whoa! Cut it out.
Villains are stronger in this zone.
You got axed.
Cross Crow.
My energy is growing. You can hunt the hunger.
Cross Crow defeated.
What? You cannot capture Cross Crow!
Cross Crow trapped.
Finally! Cross Crow! Oh yeah! Whoa! Good. Yeah.
Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone.
Whoa! 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 Oh yeah! My energy is good. Can't stop the chop. Cut it out. Whoa, whoa! Knock on wood. Oh yeah! Whoa! Good. Whoa! Right on!
Nature's bounty.
Hey! You make it to the final steam lock! Maybe you wonder how I make it here ahead of you, but it's best you no ask. Ready to go? You almost get inside the clock of Skylands! Excelente! Brilliant! Bravo! Yes! Excelente! Brilliant! Bravo! Amazing! Just amazing! The beast is so proud of you! Now please be careful inside of the clock. Bad Wolfgang.
Right then, that should do it. As soon as the big tick-tock here bongs 12, we'll be off.
You poor dope. You don't even realize it yet. But your time is up!
I think you've got it wrong, mate. Long as I got you, I can go anywhere. I've got all the time in the world.
Ha! Don't make me laugh, which I just did. But it was mocking. Mocking! You'll see. Any second now, the Skylanders are gonna come bursting right through that door. See? Right on time.
Huh. On second thought, if the Queen wants Skyland, she can have it for now. But the future, that's all mine. Time to make this a one-way trip. Ta-ta!
Well, I didn't see that one coming.
Okay, so mucho points for retrieving old Baldy, but unfortunately, our long-haired freakazoid Wolfgang remains at large. Lucky for us, Da Vinci here says that he can take you 10,000 years into the future to go catch him.
Well, I normally don't like to do something like this, but for you, Skylander, I make the exception.
Ah! Get that thing away from me! I never want to see another clock again!
When you are ready, come talk to the Da Vinci, and you see how I send you into the future.